The fastest way to onboard new clients is through CrankWheel, but is it the best solution? Let's find out. In this quick explainer, we'll dive into CrankWheel's features and uncover how it can streamline your client onboarding process. But stick around, because we'll also share alternatives that might be even better suited for your needs. First things first, CrankWheel's main selling point is its simplicity. It allows you to show your clients exactly what you're seeing on your screen, no downloads or installations required. This makes it incredibly fast and seamless, reducing the friction many people experience with other tools. The result? You're up and running in a matter of seconds, helping onboard new clients more efficiently. Next thing, CrankWheel lets you quickly share your screen in real time with clients, offering a smooth interaction without the hassle of complex setups. That's a huge win for businesses looking to keep the process as easy as possible. But there's one catch. CrankWheel's free plan is limited, and if you're scaling your business, you'll probably need to look at the paid version for more features. It's a decent option, but not always the most cost-effective in the long run. The third thing to note is CrankWheel's integration capabilities. It does a good job connecting with CRM and sales tools, helping you automate your workflow. But if you're someone who requires advanced integrations with a broader range of tools, this might feel a little restrictive compared to other platforms on the market. The fourth thing, customer support. CrankWheel provides solid support, but it's not always the fastest when compared to alternatives. Depending on how urgent your client onboarding process is, this could be a deal breaker for some. Now, let's talk alternatives. While CrankWheel has some great features, there are competitors that are equally effective and sometimes more suited to your goals. The beauty of these alternatives is that they give you more flexibility to scale without being restricted by CrankWheel's limitations. Plus, their customer support can often be more responsive, which could make a real difference when you're onboarding new clients quickly. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that we've secured an exclusive and extended free trial for CrankWheel. But don't forget, we've also included these amazing alternatives that have a free trial and might even be a better fit for your goals. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial available, plus some exclusive benefits only offered to our viewers. Don't forget to check the description below for all the details.